Hello everyone. So in this session we are going to learn about how day and night forms. So for that we will be requiring this Tinkerbox kit, and let's find out what we have in this kit. So we will require a globe, a torch, and these sun and light platforms. Okay, so this is the globe model, and you can see here we have many countries and the globe is circular, right? And from the previous class we have learned that globe revolves around the sun. This is earth and this revolves around the sun. So always sun is always at its own position, and if earth rotates, so particular country will get the light, sunlight, as you can say. Sunlight is falling on China, then there will be day formed in China. If it will move away and China is on the back side, so this is how at this side we are forming night. Okay, let's understand this by doing this practical. So let's understand this by just switching on the torch light, and you will see that we have light falling on the particular country. So it means the particular country will have day, and the country which is at the back side of the sun is getting the night. Okay, so this is how we have created a simple project of how we can form day and night. So in this session we have learnt about the day and night formation, and I will add a point here that in summers we have the large days and in winter we have smaller days. So this is how we can explain the same concept. So thanks for watching.